Some of the special qualities I liked about this project were the open design incorporating the floating finishes that we installed on this project. The interior level of finish on this project was prevalently level 5, with a no-base design incorporating wallpaper that was actually a wood product that actually looked like planking. The project team for SquareTrade was Sam Suey, our in-house engineer, myself, Daryl Goyette, and Pedro Guardado, our foreman. The overall project team for SquareTrade was Principal Builders, general contractor, Blitz, the architect, and California Drywall. One of the things I really like about the SquareTrade project was the value of the details that the architect drew up that we were able to incorporate. I walk onto the site occasionally to look at it, and it really turned out nice.